case sucks. Why did I pick it?
If you get a knife, you're literally gonna get like a
Bowie cum knife.
Boreal forest. Yeah, you get something like that.
Motherfucker! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Look at that! Look at this shit, bro!
It looks minimal wear. It looks minimal wear.
It's Gangnam! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
No way.
No!
Teşekkür ederim. İnşallah çok konuşuk bir yer olur Twitch. Çok inanarak söyleyemiyorum bunu ama inşallah olur yani.
Bu arada Tuğkan abinin eline de harbiden bayonet yakışıyor.
Evet
lan.
abi taşıyacak
Tam böyle
adam ya
avcı
böyle
bıçağı
kocaman
yani,
bıçak
bayonet,
yani.
evet,
Avcı
evet.
bıçağı bu bak. Bunun bir anlamı var Tuğkan. Bu karambit değil. Sen o arkadaki testere gibi şeylerin ne işe yaradığını da biliyorsundur. O oluğun ne işe yaradığını da biliyorsundur.
Kardeşimsin, çok teşekkür ederim ya.
Hayırlı uğurlu olsun abi.
Eyvallah,
İyi.
sağ olasın.
I just recorded that.
You got the knife! First time! LOL! Guys, we got a knife! Corinna, schau mal.
Okay, easy. Oh my god, dude! Oh, they're still field testing? Oh, fuck yes!
It's all like, oh no.
Whoa!
Oh no.
What the hell? What?
No.
What? That's a Doppler. Corey, what the hell? No, Corey.
way.
That's a Doppler. That's a Doppler, Corey. That's a Doppler. Corey,
No.
Corey,
Fucking.
Corey. What the hell?
Yeah.
Am I the only one? Okay.
I'm jumping in. Bye, guys.
Thanks, Birkin.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you
Your
didn't.
lag just censored you.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
You're stupid. Kniv! Butterfly knife ultraviolet! Adrian!
Fette seriöst!
Nej.
Adrian!
Nej.
Fette seriöst!
Nej.
Adrian!
Var ju kniv av dem.
Nej.
Kniv!
Nej.
Go, bro! Let's go!
Nein, scheiße, hab ich verkackt.
Oh, 2 Pinke vorbei. Ich hab Knife! Butterfly Rust Code! Oh mein Gott! Ich hab Butterfly Rust Code gezogen! Ja!
I mean,
Ja! Ich hab Knife!
Super fucking config.
Yeah.
I just took it off like the fucking front because I was
I just
too
hate
lazy
it
to
because the Lewis.
No way! No way! No! No way! Can't. No way! No way! No way! There's no way!
Yeah, the case of the trader that you never said.
$50 worth of cases for free. And then after
For free.
40.
Oh.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! I just opened a knife! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Oh my god! Oh my god! I just opened a fucking knife! Oh my god! What the fuck, dude? I just opened a Talon Damascus! Dude, I just opened a...
Minimal wear.
Oh my fucking god! I got a knife. Holy shit, I just got a knife. Oh my god. What? Are you fucking serious? Holy shit.
Oi! Oi!
Oh my god!
Easy gloves, next case. Alright, Dukester, here we go.
Y después cuchillito. Cuchillito ya es la gloria. ¡Cuchillo, va! Ursus manchado, padre. Minimalware, primer cajita, pa.
Cajetudo que será.
Qué linda. Hace un montón no me tocaba un cuchillo, boludo. Hace un montón.
Every time I open one of these cases, I get so depressed.
Oh lord.
Come on,
Oh
come on. This
lord.
could be like the streams
Oh
I watch.
lord.
Here comes the gold.
Oh lord.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude! Bro!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
О, розовая. No!
Нихуя, с первого.
Нихуя.
Ебать, а сколько он стоит? Бля, 4-5.
Maybe go mid to B.
Yes, yes.
Go. Bus tactics. Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa! Yellow!
Someone CT, someone one CT. One cat.
Two of us had the cross, PC.
What are you gonna do?
You just unbox a StatTrak AKSMO.
Is that like red?
Quick did it too!
Can you play the game for
Just because they got simple, you don't think I can up against simple? It's a jello.
Toilet!
You guys want me to coach this or no?
Team is dead, like, we need
Team's
a...
not dead, dude. We are joining a new org. It's fine. Let's go, guys. Dude, wait, they're actually not talking.
Они хотят, чтобы мы попиздели, блядь.
I understand everything you guys are saying.
Okay, guys,
just so
let's
you
go.
know.
Fake B rush, okay? Need to smoke arch.
What the hell?
I tried to kill B and 2-3 guys go top mid. After my contact, try to go short. Blah, blah.
Hell no. Fuck that strat. Rush A.
Блять, окей, пошли нахуй, блять.
Yo, what does it mean? He's open, we can go B. We should go B, guys.
Alright, okay, go with your idea.
Что ты закодил он? Что ты им закодил, ебать?
I flash jungle for you, come.
Що в джанглі був з віпом?
То була голова.
Снайпер.
Aha, volg weer. On cheat weer, aha.
Mid one?
Underlane. Underlane down.
Nice.
House. Dead.
Nice.
Could be long.
Could be long, yeah.
Możemy teraz trochę defensywniej zagrać.
Czekaj.
Berasz monster będzie, Imo.
Niech się stał.
Albo to zeskoczyli pod monster, zeskoczyli pod... Teraz wchodzą. Jeszcze flashował. Imo. Oh no. Short more. What? That was sick. Can push, but he can be flashing stairs. Help me, let me. Two banana. Oh! That's a banana. In front of me. What is this round? Dawaj, flashuję.
Gidla wypa podeszła. Złapie... Czekał.
Dawaj go, wyskocz.
Banan.
Ładnie, 2 na 2. Wagner,
Nice.
pompy nie macie.
Ja pójdę
Zero macie wy.
Dobra,
Wezmę, wezmę.
Gdzie pupa?
Ty gdzie?
Wziąłem.
Na bananie.
Mongoose.
I tam iść
Red badge, red badge, red badge.
Nice.
A last time?
Wyskoczył za auto. Bianka. Jebiem łamę.
Skúsil si Nesta, ale dal som mu ja Avantar, môže byť?
Może być.
He's bench.
Cat.
Mid side. Cat.
He's behind the smoke, Dead.
Cat.
Going lane mid.
Mauling him. Dead cat.
Coming up cat now.
You have cat?
Coming up
I'm
cat.
waiting for you, Nemo.
Opping market door.
Running for cat. Be flanked. I'm hoping not.
Molly smoke.
Smoking mid site.
Market door one. Market door. Void it. No. Jiggled it.
Dead.
Market window.
Dead.
Out dead.
I'm
One
holding
blue
up for
scooper.
B.
Market window. Upping.
Nice.
Rebuzzy.
BTT, base.
Sei pra caralho.
Nossa.
Side guy.
Yep. Content, baby.
Get it!
Content, baby!
I'm mid.
Oh shit. Content, baby!
Oh.
Sheesh!
I'm giving you all my power.
Sheesh!
Przy piątce im podejdzie.
Leży piątka.
Nice.
Jeszcze jedno gajden.
Za 6.
Góra
Patrzę,
back.
za
Ja SK patrzę. Patrzę SK do końca.
Nie wychyla. Za szóstki. Teraz wychyla.
SK był jeden. Leży.
Nice. Nice.
İpler ya tam ipler.
Amına koydum.
Manyak oğlum deli lan bu.
Se tivesse sido de CT esse espanco da Tione. Que é isso? Que é isso, Malbis?
It's out.
It's a 1v4 on A.
Coming to me, I think. Spawn one.
The flashbang is good to set him up, but now he's close up against the pistol. Still comes out with two. Stefan, big moves, money moves happening. Stefan a 4K. They only need him.
Nice. Let's go away now together. Nice.
I'll smoke headshot. I'm only behind. Double. Okay now. Ulting now.
You stay still? You're gonna go.
Yeah. I'll stay.
I'm blind, left side.
Left side of.
I'm going okay. Can help some.
Back. Someone tops me.
Default on track,
Default. Push me. More.
Central one.
Shoot him, Fawn! Shoot him! Fuck!
But now it's happening again. This time it's Big doing it. We got a player all the way through. Tabson is taking the flank. He's going to be pushing into the longhouse just now. Are they ready for this? They're actually watching for it, but it doesn't matter. He's still going to get one. And meanwhile, two more have come down long. This is a big problem for Sprout. They just cannot win these duels on the pistol. And the bomb's now dropped out in the open, so they're going to have to fight to recover it. Digster will succeed in doing so. They've got a flash to potentially go for this peak and recover. That's what they're going to use it for. Do they want to press forward or do they want to back out? Oh, blinded. Doesn't matter. Digster still gets another. And he's the last man surviving. He's already got 3 kills to his name. This would be the ace. He's got it! Digster, a pistol ace to win it! Nothing was working.
Help both players being relatively low, with them having no kit, with them not having a smoker and he nades to make work with, but somehow they make it happen. Straight up headshots is all they need apparently, but Dia gets a caught falling back on B. Didn't expect Xanders to be mad enough to run straight through the flames, but he is. And it's, well, it's given them so much ground at this point. The great trade on towards Dennis as well. And I believe they're going to get the bomb down. There is a player here trying to stop it, and okay, it was apparently too ambitious for Surson to try and get that planted. But Xanthars, he just keeps on going. Maybe even the ace. Is it? The dink has come in. One more bullet. There it is from Xanthars. What a round.
Arch.
You not here?
Not Arch, he was the library.
Like almost 100%.
Arch, behind
It's fine for you.
No! He went through.